Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Output Fuga in AUT. This powerful feature is engineered to dramatically increase the efficiency and scale of your automated tasks. Its core purpose is to supercharge data processing rates and expand concurrent operation capacity, allowing you to handle significantly larger workloads. By leveraging Max Output Fuga, you can achieve faster task completion, potentially reducing processing times by up to 30%, and optimize resource allocation across your entire system. Setting up Max Output Fuga is straightforward. First, access your system settings and locate the Fuga Max Output toggle, ensuring it is enabled. Next, you'll want to fine-tune the concurrency limit parameter. We recommend starting with a value between 8 and 16 threads to find your system's sweet spot. Finally, configure the buffer size to a minimum of 256 megabytes. This crucial step prevents data bottlenecks and ensures a smooth, uninterrupted flow of operations. To truly optimize your Fuga performance, consistent monitoring is key. Keep a close eye on your system's resource usage to quickly pinpoint and resolve any potential bottlenecks. A smart strategy is to prioritize tasks involving larger data volumes. This ensures you're fully leveraging Fuga's enhanced output capabilities where it matters most. Additionally, consider implementing batch processing for smaller related tasks. This approach can significantly streamline operations, boosting overall efficiency by another 15 to 20%. For advanced users, consider integrating Max Output Fuga with external data streaming services to unlock real-time processing capabilities. This allows for immediate data analysis and action. Another powerful technique involves using custom scripting to dynamically adjust output parameters. This means Fuga can intelligently adapt to workload fluctuations, maintaining peak performance automatically. Remember to regularly review and update your Fuga configurations. Staying current ensures your system remains optimized and responsive to all your evolving automation needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.